The founder of SpaceX, Tesla and PayPal has just invested $3 billion in Twitter. But why? Elon Musk has had a hand in some really big projects over the years. He's the brains behind rockets, electric cars, and online payments. So when you find out that he's invested $3 billion in Twitter, it might make you scratch your head. Is this an act of genius or madness? Find out as I take you on a journey through all the possibilities for what could be going on here. We're looking in this video at the news that Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has purchased a 9.2% stake in the social media giant Twitter, a stake worth close to $3 billion. It was good news for Twitter shareholders who saw the value of their stock climb more than a quarter in pre-market trading. The news came in the form of a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, that Musk now has a passive stake as of the 10th of Feb 2022. The filing said amount beneficially owned 73,486,938 shares consisting of shares of common stock held by the Elon Musk Revocable T 2003, for which Elon Musk is the sole trustee. Musk signed the filing, which was dated today, the 4th of April 2022. Based on Twitter's closing share price on Friday, Elon's shares were worth $2.89 billion, but that figure is likely to go much higher when markets on Wall Street open on Monday. At the time of recording this video, shares in Twitter had climbed by 26% in pre-market trading, which indicates an opening bell price of $48.94 each. Look, Elon Musk is incredibly active on Twitter, but he's been critical of the platform too. Most recently, he leveled his aim at the development of Twitter profile pictures linked to NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, saying Twitter has the wrong priorities. They should have been working on an edit button, right? And as recently as last month, Musk said he was giving some serious thought to creating a new social media platform. He polled his 80 million Twitter followers, asking them if they believe Twitter adheres to the principle of free speech. 70% voted no. Following the results of that poll, Musk suggested Twitter was undermining democracy by failing to follow free speech principles, asking, is a new platform needed? Musk is now the single largest shareholder in Twitter, holding more than 4 times the stake of founder Jack Dorsey, who's currently sitting with 2.25% of the share capital. Musk also has a larger shareholding than Vanguard, 8.79%, Morgan Stanley at 8%, and BlackRock at 4.5%. We have to keep in mind that Twitter, while it has been an incredibly useful tool for Musk, has also been the source of a lot of problems for him. He's currently subject to a deal with the SEC that controls what he can tweet about Tesla. That follows the deal put in place in 2018. That deal was a result of him tweeting that he had secured funding to take Tesla private if it reached $420 a share, funding that he didn't have in place. The SEC then forced him to have Tesla's lawyers pre-approve any tweets about the company's financial health, sales, delivery numbers, and other factors too. I've watched enough episodes of Billions to know that you don't with the SEC. Commenting on the investments in a research note, Dan Ives, who's an analyst at Wedbush, said, it looks like Elon has his eyes laser set on Twitter, suggesting the investment could lead to a more aggressive ownership role. Of course, we don't know what plans Musk has for his stake in Twitter. The type of SEC filing suggests that he isn't seeking a controlling interest in the company, or indeed influence over those who control it. But it is bound to put more pressure on Twitter to innovate faster. Twitter was facing pressure to move faster and build new products. They've put some ambitious goals in place for growth of revenue and users, all designed to convince investors that it is serious about future growth. Having Elon Musk on board as a shareholder is likely to attract those that follow the cult of Musk, believing that he can do no wrong and that by piggybacking on his moves, investors will also get rich. The reason for that Twitter share price going up by 26% following the news is the result of this sort of speculation that Musk's stake could lead to bigger things. And that's not investing, it's gambling. There are no fundamental factors at play here to suggest the value of Twitter shares should have gone up 26%. I rarely on this channel comment on individual company shares. I do talk about Elon Musk from time to time because I'm something of a Tesla fanboy, but for the vast majority of retail investors, and that probably includes you, it's not sensible to invest in individual company shares. The risks involved in doing so are dramatically greater than investing in a diversified portfolio of shares covering hundreds of different companies. Whether that's passive, so an index tracker fund, or using an active fund manager who's got the expertise and resources to select companies and analyse all of the risks involved. You are not the richest person in the world. You're not even a billionaire. Making investment decisions like Musk, when you're not like Musk, is a shortcut to losing money, not making it. What do you think about Elon Musk's decision to become Twitter's largest shareholder? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, I'm Bamford, and remember, when it comes to your money, the more you know, the faster it can grow.